how to redeem Amazon Digital Rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Amazon Digital Rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Amazon application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now go ahead and add a few products to your cart to be able to use the digital rewards. Once you have added the products, tap on your cart and proceed to check out. Now, go ahead and enter your shipping address correctly firstly, and now further in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and toggle on the Add a Gift Card, promo code or voucher toggle button. You will then be shown with the text box, so go ahead and enter the code that you have and finally tap on the Continue button, and with this, if the code was entered correctly, the code will be redeemed. So this is how you can redeem Amazon Digital Rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.